This is one of our specialized warehouses dedicated exclusively to red copper bars, bus bars, square bars, and copper tubes. Behind me is the entrance to our copper bar and profile warehouse, one of the core facilities in CYMBER's storage system. CYMBER currently operates 5 large-scale specialized warehouses, plus 2 comprehensive warehouses in East China. These include dedicated copper plate and strip warehouse, dedicated copper bar and bus bar warehouse, dedicated copper tube warehouse, dedicated aluminum plate warehouse, dedicated aluminum alloy profile warehouse. In addition, we have 2 comprehensive warehouses, 1 large-scale integrated copper and aluminum warehouse, and 1 auxiliary comprehensive warehouse. The primary role of the comprehensive warehouses is wholesale distribution, direct sales, and retail operations. The specialized warehouses function as strategic buffer stock facilities. Their main purpose is to ensure immediate replenishment to the comprehensive warehouses and enable same-day or next-day shipment for bulk orders. Total on-site inventory across all warehouses is maintained at approximately 4,000 tons of copper and aluminum materials throughout the year. This structured layout allows us to respond instantly to large volume requirements while keeping material traceability, batch consistency, and delivery speed at industry-leading levels. Beyond storage, CYMBER also owns in-house precision machining centers, surface finishing lines, electroplating facilities, and electrical processing capabilities. This vertical integration means we can supply raw material, semi-finished components, or fully finished and plated parts from the same source, significantly reducing lead time for our clients. As one of the most established copper and aluminum suppliers in East China, CYMBER has built its reputation on reliable stock depth, professional categorization, and rapid large order fulfillment. Welcome to visit any of our warehouses at your convenience.